Hey Rambo. Hello baby. Here's your wee girlfriend. Here's your wee girlfriend, isn't it? Yeah. That's your wee girlfriend. Hey, you two fall out. You two should be mates. Yeah. You mind you love birds? Yeah. My original, Eric and Holly. First ever. Yeah. That's Martin and Jerry. They love birds. And here, you can't see it because this thing isn't lighting up, but they're making palms in there with their eggs. And these two babies, it's too dark in there as well. And there are 4 cocktails. And you can go right through that hole for an 8 foot to 6 foot run. It's been open 2 days and haven't discovered it yet.